everybody. So it's been long since I created an update, but it's been super busy. Lot of stuff going on. So I'll tell you basically what we are doing right now. Um, so last week, I don't remember. I told you we just charged $1,000 to this particular guy we were building out automations for, and like basically I told you about the group that I got in. People who were earning like crazy there, and they're very resourceful. So in that group, I found one person who's currently like he's an alumni of Columbia Business School, and he wanted to work with me for an automations agency. Basically, automations agency is like we'll be automating stuff for people like business operations. For example, let's say a marketing firm, right? A marketing agency is there. Now it has a lot of clients, right? And that marketing agency is running a lot of campaigns for them. So it might need to automate all the reporting for them. For example, at the end of the week, all the campaign reports go to the clients automatically in a particular PDF format or something. This is one example of an automation. Other might be, for example, using AI to automate a lot of things, using AI to automate email replies, using AI to do a bunch of automating. One more example, for example, a client gets onboarded when a client signs a contract. When he does the payment, he's automatically added to a Slack channel. He's automatically added to the database. He's automatically sent an email, stuff like that. A lot of things, a lot of business operations can be automated. Basically, what this does for a business is they might have I'm talking about big businesses. Um, for let's say they have 10 employees right now, automating stuff can increase their productivity a lot, and they can take on much more business. Basically, when you make things efficient, they can make either they can take much more business, or they can fire their existing employees, or generally they do not fire their employees, but they can get much more work done from their employees if we automate things. So for example, an employee costs 60,000 to $70,000 a year in US, let's say on an average. So automating 50% of his task is very much possible. So there's a big scope in that, building out automations for people. So we're just starting with that, and the crazy thing is we just hired a new intern, almost on the process. So we're doing a lot of things. We hired a designer for building the website. We are hiring an intern to help us build all these automations, to help us do all the work, basically all the execution part he'll be handling. So we are hiring him, and so everything is going in a full-fledged mode. We are doing the branding, we are setting up various social media pages, and we're thinking about how ways on how we can market this. We already have that cold emailing software. We'll be running a lot of email campaigns to get our clients, which is the number one source. But we are thinking about organic growth as well, pushing out content, putting out content, and giving away things for free. For example, we are thinking about giving away first automation for free, and which is a very big hook for these businesses. We are thinking about multiple things, and yeah, this is the update. But one thing that I'm really happy about is we're hiring our first intern, and I think this is the first. In my previous business, I didn't have anyone full time like working on my stuff. I had multiple freelancers working on it, but now it's finally for the first time hiring my own employee kind of thing. So it's it's very exciting in that sense. It's very um, a good moment for me and for the team as well. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, that's about it. And a lot of stuff going on. Like we are building out tools. Um, Eventually, we thought let's say we start out with automations in a particular niche. We start building out automation. Let's say for marketing agencies, we start building out automations. Then automations are basically a small part of a SaaS, a bigger SaaS maybe, because automation is also a piece of software, right? So we'll have a lot of SaaS ideas as well, and eventually we'll move into a SaaS. That's the bigger plan. But building out automations is also a pretty good business. People are charging thousands of dollars for it, and yeah, because they're able to charge thousands of dollars of for it because not because it's complex. It's because it's not complex, but it provides value to businesses. At the end of the day, if you do a very simple thing which a 10th grader can do, but it provides value to a business, I mean, you will be paid. You might know college level mathematics, you might know university level mathematics, but if you are not able to convert that into real world value for businesses or for anybody, you can't earn money. Maybe if you know very high level mathematics, you cannot provide value to business. Like they'll pay you maybe $0. They do not have any utility for you. But a quant trading firm or somebody who requires your actual expertise may pay you millions of dollars for that. And that is actually the case. Quant traders are paid that much. So it's basically automations are like providing significant value to these businesses. And yeah, and I thought about how do we get these automations built because I'm not very um, keen on doing them myself because my time is better utilized on somewhere else. So thought of hiring an intern and got an amazing person. And there is a lot of talent in these colleges, like tier two, tier three colleges. There's a lot of talent that you can get, and it's pretty good talent for very reasonable prices. And these people are really want to work, and these people are super smart. So, but they're denied the opportunity just because of their college, which is prominent in India. So if you find that talent, it's very beneficial for both of you, like for us as well and for them as well. It's a great opportunity. So yeah, so just hired the first intern, and we're going deep into this now. Like yeah, things are getting serious. Like hiring somebody full time is a big commitment because you have to pay him either ways and you have to keep him engaged. So you need to have enough work for him to do. So that's a big commitment. But yeah, I'm pretty excited about it. That's about it.